Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fade in and out video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first step, you simply need to select any video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Then you simply need to go on to the effects, click on video transition, and here you need to click on dissolve, and from here you need to select any of the option. So I'm going to select film dissolve for example, and I'm going to add at the end of the video clip. And let me pick this from here, and let me so here you can see that I add this at the end as well. So here you can see, let me show you, this is at the start and this is at the end. And if you want to change the duration, so you simply need to select this and you need to drag this as well. And if you want to shorten, you simply need to drag like this. So here you can see. So this is the process by which you can fade in and out video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.